Hello students, how are you? Myself Rajan Chaudhary. Today I will talk about ceiling. How to use ceiling formula in Excel. This function rounds the number up to the nearest multiple specified by the user. So I have mentioned here number 2.1, 1.5, 1.9, 20, 25, 40. And how to raise up the formula is equal to ceiling within bracket C4, 1 is equal to ceiling C5, 1. So these are the answer. You can write down the formula in your copy. Okay. So next is its syntax is equal to ceiling within bracket value to round, multiple to round up to. Is it? The value to round can be a cell, address or a calculation. No special formatting is needed here. Now, here are some examples. First of all, I will talk about the first example. The following table was used by a estate agent renting holiday apartments. The properties being rented are only available on a weekly basis. When the customer supplies the number of days required in the property, the ceiling formula rounds it up by a multiple of 7 to calculate the number of full weeks to be built. Is it? So, here is customer 1, customer 2, customer 3. And days required are 3, 4, 7. And days to be built, it's like 7, 7, 14. The formula, how comes, is equal to ceiling, it's within bracket D28 because 3 is in D28, 7. Is it? By a multiple of 7. Is it? And customer 2, days required 4 is equal to ceiling D29, 7. The answer is 7. Customer 3, days required 10. And the formula is equal to ceiling D30, 7. And this is the answer. Is it? Write down this formula in your copy. Now I will talk about example 2. The following table was used by a builder's merchant delivering products to a construction site. The merchant needs to hire trucks to move each product. Each product needs a particular type of truck of a fixed capacity. And table 1 calculates the number of trucks required by dividing the units to be moved by the capacity of the truck. These results of the division are not whole numbers and the builder cannot hire just part of a truck. So, table 1 is here. Items are bricks, wood and cement. And units to be moved 1000, 5000, 2000. And truck capacity is 300, 600, 350. And trucks needed. The formula will be is equal to D45 with divided by E45. E45. Is it? So this is the answer 3.33. And now next formula is is equal to D46 divided by E46. This is the answer. D47 divided by E47. This is the answer. Is it? So table 2 shows how the ceiling function has been used to round up the result of the division to a whole number and thus given the exact amount of trucks needed. Table 2. Same. Bricks, wood, cement. Units to be moved 1000, 5000, 2000. Trucks capacity 300, 600, 350. And now we are using ceiling formula. How it works? Is equal to ceiling within bracket D54 divided by E54. E54 is it? 1. And this is the answer 4. Same D55 divided by E55, 1. this is the answer, same this is the answer. You can write down this formula in your copy. Is it? Now I will go to example 3. The following tables were used by a shopkeeper to calculate the selling price of an item. The shopkeeper buys product by the box. The cost of the item is calculated by dividing the box cost by the box quantity. The shopkeeper always wants to price to end in 99 pence. So, table 1 shows how just a normal division results in varying item costs. Here is a table 1. Item is plugs, sockets, junctions, adapters. And box quantity is 11, 7, 5, 16. And box cost is 20 pound, 18, 28.10, 28 pound. Is it? And cost per item is equal to D69 divided by C69. It's very simple. But with ceiling formula, table 2 shows how the ceiling function has been used to raise the item cost to always end in 99 pence. Is it? Here is the same table. Item, plugs, socket, junction, adapter. And in box 11, 7, 5, 16. Same box cost हो गई. And cost per item. Now we will use ceiling formula. Ceiling formula. How it works? Ceiling formula is equal to D80 divided by C80. D80 divided by D80. These are the answers. Right? And now raised cost. What is the formula? Is equal to INT within bracket E80, right? E80 bracket close plus ceiling within bracket MOD. Then again you will start the bracket E80 comma 1 bracket close comma 0.99, all brackets close, right? So these are the answers. Write down this formula. Okay, and the here is the explanation. Is equal to INT within bracket E83. What does it do? It calculates the integer part of the price. And what is MOD? It calculates the decimal part of the price. And what is ceiling? It raises the decimal to 0.99. Is it? Hope you understood this formula, and you can also write down these formulas in your copy and practice again and again. Is it? For more inquiries, you can raise your questions in comment box. Thank you so much, guys. Be happy. Thank you.